pickup service, picking this up so it can get a maintenance wash and interior detail. This shit is dirty, and this car is coated as well, so it should be easy. So got her back to the shop. We're gonna start it on the interior, and then we're gonna work our way on the exterior. Really dirty. But let's do this nice and quick for the customer and drop it off. And after a full, complete wash properly to take care of your coating, coating still holding up strong, still there. So as long as you keep up with maintenance on your coating, it'll last you a lifetime. We did this one about a year and a half ago, somewhere along that point, and coating is still holding up. Pretty strong, I would say. So wheels too. Fairly easy wash. Now we're just gonna blow dry it off, make sure everything's dry, and bring it back to the customer.